Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Plaid for linking bank accounts in mobile apps, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Plaid for linking bank accounts in mobile apps, start by launching your mobile application. Navigate to the section where you need to link your bank accounts. Look for an option labeled Link Bank Account or similar. Select this option to initiate the linking process. You will then be presented with a list of financial institutions. Choose your bank from the provided list. If you do not see your bank, you can use the search function to find it. Once you select your bank, click on it to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your online banking credentials. Provide your username and password for your bank account. Ensure that you are entering the correct information to avoid errors. After entering your credentials, click Login or the equivalent option. Plaid will verify your information with your bank. If your login is successful, you may be asked to select which accounts you want to link. Select the specific accounts you wish to connect to the app. Once you make your selection, confirm your choice. Plaid will then retrieve your account details securely. You should see a confirmation screen indicating successful linking. If you encounter any issues, double-check your banking credentials. Make sure that your internet connection is stable during this process. For added security, some banks may require two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to complete any necessary verification steps. Once your accounts are successfully linked, you can start using the app features connected to your bank. Remember to review your settings within the app for any additional configurations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.